My dear friends, my problem, come here please. What's your name? Lovely, good to see you. What's your name?
Rizwan.
No, please. Rizwan, please. Please.
No,
Rizwan.
finish your speech because you were saying. I quote what you just said. You said Muslims that have lived here for decades.
Yeah.
Violent Muslims, violent acts.
Do you have the mic?
Yeah, sorry.
No, sorry, I'll say this.
I'm going to say one thing to you because
Yeah, please.
I've stood here for about 5 minutes watching you listen respectfully.
Sure. Please come in, please.
I don't even want to be on this stuff. This is more so for me and him.
Don't worry, please.
I'm good. But you said violent Muslims have grown here for decades. Literally your words. You said, okay, Muslims that have grown up here for decades, pointing at the Quran, saying they become violent reading this. I was born in this country.
Sure.
Right?
And have you read
Do
the
I- do
Quran?
I look
How old
violent
are you,
to
Rizwan?
I'm 29.
29, please.
Yeah.
Rizwan, please stay focused right now. I'm going to ask a particular question. Yeah?
You're not going to look. If you're going to quote verses, this and that, man to man, human being to human being, I am a Muslim, a proud Muslim. Do you think in any way that I would portray violence
Please
towards you?
listen. Sure.
So you're using incendiary language for no
Repeating
reason.
right now. You're repeating right now.
I'm repeating because that's what everyone's seeing.
I'll now ask a question. Rizwan, you are saying something right now that you're not violent, which may or may not be true. I don't know.
Wait, sorry, what did you say?
You're saying something right now.
That is not violent. Is that what you said?
You are claiming
Yeah.
that you are non-violent or giving an.
I'm claiming. No, I am non-violent, bro.
Can I?
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
You are claiming.
You're laughing because you already know this is ridiculous, man. But go on.
You know.
Why
My
Christians
dear.
are
No, we can-
converting
we-
into
we can-
Islam?
we can
Why
finish-
Christians? Why
No,
fathers?
no, no.
are converting-
He's a listen. No, we don't take that angle. We can finish this here. No, speak.
Please.
No, Muslims, no Muslims converting into Islam. No
Please,
Muslims
He's assumed that-
converting
No,
into
please.
Christianity.
Please.
You speak.
Please.
No Muslims.
Let him finish. Let him finish.
The question I'm going to ask is very simple. There are a number of conflicts that are recorded in the Quran. Religious disagreements that Muslims had with non-Muslims, recorded in the Quran. My challenge to you is every single time Muslims engaged in physical violence, murderous physical violence. Let me finish.
And make sure my voice gets caught on that as well.
I will finish and then give. Every single time Muslims resolved the religious disagreement with murderous violence as recorded in the Quran.
Yes, I know. Yeah.
Do you know of one place where the Muslims resolved their religious disagreement with non-Muslims with anything other than violence recorded in the Quran?
Recorded in the Quran. Okay. Okay. You want to go back to history and we can talk about things in the Bible?
The Quran, I'm talking about the Quran.
You can talk about the Quran, but we're here talking. You're the Christian talking to a Muslim.
I'm talking to the Quran. Please,
Don't
answer
talk
my
to the
question.
Quran. Talk to the Muslim. I'm the
Talk to the
Muslim.
Muslim, but
I
talk about
represent
the
the Quran. So talk to me. I'm here right now. If me and you had a religious disagreement,
What does Prophet Muhammad say you should do to Christians? Does he say you can harm Christians?
Please, stay focused, please.
I am focused. I'm
Rizwan.
focused on you. Hear me out. If we had a religious disagreement here, is there even 0.1% of you that thinks that we'd have a violent altercation? No.
Rizwan.
But don't talk about the
Rizwan,
We can
Rizwan,
talk about things.
Rizwan,
No,
Rizwan.
hear me out. I didn't
You're-
finish. I could bring up things in the Bible or things from the past that all seem a bit primal and outdated. What's the point? If you're here to stoke, it seems like from what I heard you speaking, you're here to stoke division. That's what I'm hearing from you. You use incendiary language, which I appreciate. It's good for preaching. I understand. You know, between me and you, we have zero issues. Okay, and I could introduce hundreds of Muslims that I know that would be the same way with you. What's the need for this? Why?
Are you happy now? Let me
Am I
respond.
happy?
Have you
Do you agree with me?
You will find out when I respond.
Sure. Go ahead. Yeah.
Sure. So your entire argument, your entire logic right now,
Yeah.
whereas I asked if there is any evidence that a Muslim or the Muslims resolved religious disagreement during the Quranic times by using anything other than physical murderous violence, you responded completely ignoring the Quran. You responded by saying, "Please listen. Please listen."
You know what I want to say.
Sure. You responded by saying that you perhaps come across as non-violent. Let me respond to that. Number one, you are claiming you are non-violent.
I am claiming that.
Sure. There are many terrorists who go around here at the park who may claim the same thing. Every Muslim, every terrorist, before their first attack wasn't terrorist.
Including all faiths. Yeah.
Would you like to listen?
No, I'd like to listen.
Would
But
you-
when you
would
use
you like to listen?
I am listening, but
Okay.
if
Would
I
you
use-
like? Would you like to listen?
You interrupted me as
No,
well.
no.
When
no.
I use incendiary
Would you like to
language-
listen to me?
I would, yeah.
Please listen.
I am.
Please.
But if you use incendiary language, I have to correct it. That's all. But go ahead.
When you spoke, I listened.
You didn't really. It's on camera, but yeah, go ahead.
Would you like to listen right now?
Even though you interrupted me, I'll listen to you. Yeah.
Don't repeat this. If you read this in your dawa,
all on camera.
excuse me, sir. If you read this on your dawa script, don't try this here.
Dawah script.
Please listen.
I've
Please,
come
please.
here just as a normal
Sure.
stranger.
Thank you. If you now demonstrate that you can listen, it'll be marvelous. Thank you very much.
I have, yeah.
Don't worry. Thank you. Now, you are claiming. I don't even know if the claim is true. It may be true, may not be true. I don't know. I don't know. No one knows. There are hundreds and thousands of people. I don't know the number of people who are on the watch list right now. MI5's watch list. I don't know. You might be in that. You might not be in that. How would I know?
You could be on that.
Can I finish?
No.
Can I finish?
It's all on camera.
Can
When
I
you make
finish?
Accusations.
Can I finish?
Finish. Go ahead.
Thank you.
And you'll give me uninterrupted time to speak after. Yeah?
I gave you already. You're the only one who's not giving. Please.
It's on camera. When you
Don't
interrupt
worry.
me.
Don't repeat the same nonsense. You've repeated multiple times. Stay focused right now.
Everyone knows you're.
Rizwan.
Go ahead, yeah.
Demonstrate right now that you can listen.
I will demonstrate. Yes.
Thank
I will
you.
demonstrate.
Thank you. So,
I will demonstrate.
sure. I won't know if you're part of the watch list or not. I won't know. Number one. Number two, even if you weren't part of the watch list, I won't know if you're takia lying right now or not. I won't know. According to Islam, you can lie. You can lie big time to protect Islam. If you don't know, I can show you where you can. You can lie to all sorts of people, authorities, your sex slave at home. You can lie to all sorts of people. Anyone apart from the Islamic Allah, you can lie to. So God knows who you would lie to, what someone else would lie to. I haven't got a clue. And therefore, your point is meaningless. Point number two. Point number three is even if you are
Any
non-violent,
points?
I have long list of points.
Let's end it at 5.
Okay, no. If you want to end it somewhere in between, when we are dealing
Why
with
did you
some,
interrupt me then? Okay, go
when
on.
we have serious, you are the only one who is interrupting time and time again. If you want to listen.
Flip it. I'll show you.
Third point, you might be the only non-violent, and like you, there might be 100,000 Muslims across the UK who are non-violent. Does that help the non-Muslims? No, it doesn't. We need only maybe 1,000 violent, crazier Muslims, and that will do the damage for years to come. Therefore, one second, I haven't finished. I haven't finished. And therefore, you being non-violent is utterly useless for me. Even if you're non-violent, even if you're not lying, won't be useful for me. There are at the same time thousands in the watch list. Point number
take
three.
notes while you
Point
speak,
number,
okay?
please. Point number three. Point number four. The thousands who are already demonstrating themselves to be violent are already causing much damage in the UK.
What damage?
In the UK, terrorist attacks on MI5's budget, my dear friend. The number one security threat for our nation right now is through Islamic terrorism.
You work for MI5?
Excuse me. Can I, the number one.
No, you work for
Don't say useless things.
No,
Please
no.
stay focused.
I'm just fact checking you while you speak.
I don't have to work on in MI5 to say what I have to say right now.
But then
Please
how do you know? I'm fact checking you while. Don't get stuck. How do you know?
listen carefully. How would I know about MI? You're the only comedian here. How do I know what is on MI5's number one? Excuse me, sir. You'd be utterly clueless. So please, if you stay focused, you might learn something. Watch it.
I might learn something.
Yes, please. If you stay focused.
Brother, you
To
didn't-
know MI5's number one budget requirement, excuse me, sir, you don't have to work in MI5. Excuse me, sir. You just need to stop being delusional like the way you are and read the newspaper, and you will begin to understand the number one security threat
Here's
in our
another fact
nation
check.
already.
One more fact
Thank
check.
you very much.
One more fact
Now,
check.
number five.
Hold on,
Number
fact
five.
check, fact
Number
check, fact
five.
check.
Number five.
No.
The question still is unanswered.
fact check.
I'm going to go back to the question again.
No, I'm going to stay
There
here,
are
'cause you
a
made that
number
point. Let's fact check.
of religious disagreements
Let's fact check.
that
You
non-Muslims
just said MI5 budget requirement for
Number-
newspaper headlines.
there are
so
a
you
number-
get your facts from newspaper
Excuse me,
headlines.
excuse me,
No, I'm quoting your words.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
If you stay focused.
I'm
I don't know.
focused.
Do you work somewhere
I'm
useful?
focused on your words.
Do you work somewhere useful? Excuse me, sir. Do you work somewhere useful?
Do I work somewhere useful?
Yes.
I work more useful than you being here, bro. I'll tell you that.
Sure,
much.
sure.
I do more
Thank you for
society
coming
than you
here.
being stood here.
Thank you for coming
No,
here.
Don't say goodbye now.
Thank you. No. Clearly, you've come here to speak to me. So thank you very
I
much.
stood here listening to them.
Sure, sure, sure.
But I noticed you're the one that's shouting
Sure,
incendiary
sure,
anti-Muslim.
sure.
Make sure my voice
Now,
gets
no,
picked
no,
up.
no, no, no.
It's democracy.
No, no.
Don't get scared. I'm just
The question I'm going to go back to, if you know anything about the Quran,
If you're allowed to question me, I'm allowed to question you.
why don't you stop panicking and start listening? You might even learn what the question is properly, and you may know how to respond. If you panic, you won't know. So the question again is simple.
My question
There
is
are
also
a
very simple.
number of religious disagreements that Muslims ran into in the Quranic times, as recorded in the Quran. Do you know of one time where the Muslims used anything other than physical violence to resolve the conflict?
doing it right
Do you have the answer or not from the
doing it right
Quran?
So if I brought a Bible, oh, now you want to give me the
The
mic?
Quran.
Okay. Can I hold the mic?
No.
I can't hold the mic.
Stay focused.
no.
Don't look confused.
I need to make sure.
Don't
that you
look
don't
confused.
jump in.
No, clearly you're confused. Clearly you're confused.
Please don't shout.
Tomorrow, I'm not shouting. Don't. I told you you're confused. Don't appear confused. No, one second. Don't be confused. The mic will come to you. No, don't. I can see the heartache you have.
What heart are you
Please,
talking about? Let me take- he's laughing while
I'm
he's
laughing at you. I'm laughing at
Let me
you.
take the mic
Now,
and speak then.
no. I'm going to.
Make a comedy
Yeah,
out of
sure.
this. Give me the mic.
One place in the Quran where Muslims engaged in anything other than anything other than physical violence to resolve a religious disagreement.
What was your name again, by the way?
Arul.
Arun. A-R-U-N, yeah?
L.
A-L, okay. Well, Arun, for someone who gets their MI5 data from headlines...
Rizwan, stay focused on the question. One
Let me...
disagreement.
Let's address
Do you know the Quran or not?
Do I know the Quran? Yeah. Yes,
How
I know
old
the
are
Quran.
you?
Do you know the Bible?
How old are you?
I'm 12. How old are you?
Clearly not 12. You
told-
look too old. You look 80.
I told you my
So
age.
please stay focused. Excuse
I
me.
look 80, look at this.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I told you my age
So
earlier.
now,
You don't remember?
I don't remember. 21. Sorry. Now I vaguely remember. 21 or 22. Don't do your woos like you do. Use your woos later. Stay focused right now.
Focused on you. Okay.
How long have
So,
you been reading your Quran?
How long have I been reading the Quran? How long have you been reading the Bible?
Do you know any answer to any question asked, or is just wasting time?
Wait, I'm not allowed to ask you questions?
Excuse me. Do you know a way to answer the questions or not?
Let me
How
address-
long have you been? Do you know the Quran
Can I
enough?
address your speech?
No. Do you know the Quran enough?
You know the Bible?
I know.
Okay.
Do you know the
Can I-
Quran enough? Please tell me one place where Muslims used anything other than physical violence to resolve a religious disagreement,
Give me an
please.
example of that in the Bible.
Do you have an answer or not?
Give me an example of that in the Bible then. This is what you call non-violent discourse. We're doing it right now. What did you come here to prove a point of? Oh, Muslims are all
If Talib, excuse me, sir, when the Muslims take over today, you either would become Jihadi John and chop my head off at that time, or you might be killed. And your point is
I've
moot.
been here my whole life.
Your point, because you are in a Christian nation so far. When it becomes Islamic, you either
Islamic
listen. Don't panic. Instead of interrupting every now and then,
No, when you
if you
say
stay
wrong things,
focused,
I have to
if you
interrupt.
stay focused, when
On
I
your
stop,
nonsense, yeah.
you might be able to respond in a productive manner.
Be quick, be quick.
Do you know of any instance where religious disagreement was resolved through anything other than physical violence in the Quranic times?
We're doing it now.
So you don't know. Thank you so much. Lovely. Rizwan, lovely to see
Give
you.
me an example in the Bible before you shake my hand.
No, ignore.
So there's nothing in the Bible either?
In the Bible?
Show me.
Okay, listen to me carefully.
No,
Can
show
you
me. Where's the Bible?
listen?
Wait, you're a Christian who holds the
Listen
Quran,
to
but
me.
you don't have a Bible.
Listen to me.
He will become Muslim.
Listen
Where's
to
your
me.
Bible?
You ask a question. Listen to me.
He will become
I am here.
Muslim.
I am here.
Inshallah.
I am here.
I'm sure.
I am here. Listen. I am here.
I told you
Listen.
I would make a joke.
I am here.
I told you.
Yeah,
Show me the Bible.
I am here. I am here. Stay focused.
Yeah.
I am here. Okay. Your question was, show me one instance of. Don't panic. Don't interrupt. Listen. The question was.
You take so long to speak.
Okay, sure. Thank you very much. Now, if you interrupt me once more, I am moving on.
Are you scared?
I'm scared of you and utterly clueless. I am
I've
Mickey
asked-
Mouse.
It's all on camera. Maybe about 10.
You're the only way. Look,
Stop. 10, 20 questions I've asked you. Let's go back to violent Muslims.
Let me tell you
Where?
something.
I've got no issue with you.
Let me tell
You're
you
just an
something.
idiot.
Let me
You're
tell you
just a
something.
stupid
Let me
guy.
tell you.
They know it. He knows
Let
it. She
me
knows
tell
it,
you
they
something.
know it.
Let me tell you something.
Go ahead.
The one who can't answer a simple question,
You.
despite having been a Muslim for 20 odd years, is the only whatever term you use. I am a Christian.
How long have you been a Christian?
I am a Christian.
For how many
And therefore, I won't use incendiary language when and if I am clueless. You're the only one. That's what your religion teaches you. That's fine. Okay. Now I'll tell you one more thing.
Yeah.
The only one who panics, despite. Okay, that's fine. Look.
So who's panicking?
Thank you. You asked me a question. Would you want to listen for an answer? You asked me for an instance from the Bible
Where's the Bible?
as to how people Christians resolved. Listen,
Where is your Bible?
listen to me. I'll go back. Excuse me, sir. Do you remember me saying I should speak to you?
Yeah.
Speak to me.
If you quote
You're
the
staring
Bible,
at
show me
me.
a Bible.
Excuse me, sir. I haven't
where's
quoted
your
it.
Bible?
I haven't quoted it. Please listen.
You've come
Okay,
here as a
waste of
Christian
time.
No. Don't
I am
quit
speaking
now.
right now. Would you want me to speak?
Just show me the Bible. as
Would you
well.
want me to speak?
Yes, but don't make up things.
Would
Show
you
me
want me to speak?
the Bible. Go ahead.
People
Would I
like
want to?
Please keep. You're wasting time. Please.
No, it's
You're
fine.
utterly close. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You touched me earlier. Don't
I
be
did
silly.
not.
Don't be silly.
Please
Don't
keep
be
moving.
silly.
Thank you very much.
Why are you afraid?
Utterly wasting time.
I'm younger than you. Why are you afraid?
Because you're utterly
having a
clueless.
conversation.
Typical brainwashed.
Basic words you don't
I don't know if you'd become jihadi Rizwan or not. I don't have. Yes,
you
of
can't
course.
pronounce basic English words. and
Sure.
you're here shouting and
Sure.
screaming
Which of that is English?
Demonstrate.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you very much. Please keep
No.
moving. Thank you very much.
Don't
Please
be
keep
afraid.
moving.
You're holding a Quran.
Thank you,
Where's
sir.
your Bible?
All right. You're a Muslim, sir. Rizwan, you're a Muslim. Please come in. Sorry, what I. Sure. Thank you. Please keep moving. Please keep moving. Thank you very much. You're wasting time. Oh, thank you very much. Please keep moving, sir. Don't panic. Don't feel insulted. Please keep moving.
I'm not insulted. I'm insulted by your lack of intelligence.
Thank you
I'm
very
not
much. Please keep
personally
moving.
insulted. I'm lack of.
I am not attracted towards you right now. You're the only one. Please keep moving. Thank you very much. You stay where you are. You seem to want. You seem. This guy wants to. He needs my attention right now. Do you know why?
She's not on your side.
Thank you much. I know. Thank you much. Thank you. Please keep moving. Please be on your way. Thank you. Thank you very much.